Warmer weather is on the way, and you're likely going to be spending a lot more time outside. But a warning this morning from allergists. They are predicting a worse than usual allergy season this year. Not what we want to hear. Here's the reporter Penny Kmitt joining us this morning. So Penny, you spoke to the allergist. What's the warning they have for us?
Well, Jessica, their biggest piece of advice is to get those tissues ready because this may be one of the worst allergy seasons that we have seen in the past few years. Allergists are calling it the perfect storm, saying that our heavy snowfall, along with the spikes in temperatures, may have been the perfect combination for more mold to be in the air this spring. Now, to reproduce, mold releases mold spores. And Dr. James Blando, an allergist and professor at Old Dominion University, says normally those spores will die throughout the winter. But he suggests this may not be the case this year.
Normally, the mold sort of the amount of mold will decrease throughout the winter, but because it has been warmer and wetter this year, it may have actually continued throughout the entire winter season.
Now, if you're having allergy symptoms, a clinician with Patient First Urgent Care says you can likely treat them at home, but says you should visit an ear, nose, and throat specialist if it starts affecting your everyday life or your sleep schedule.
It may be affecting even sleep at nighttime because the swelling in the nasal passage causes snoring and you're not getting the proper sleep behaviors. Then that would be a good reason to, hey, let me go get to an ear, nose, and throat physician.
Clinicians also tell me they've already seen some patients coming into the urgent care center with allergy symptoms. So guys, looks like it might be a rough few months.
So we know if it gets bad, go to the doctor. But if it's not terrible, what can you do at home to help make things better?
Right. So obviously over-the-counter medication, nasal sprays, and the one home remedy that they really recommended, which I don't know if it's everyone's cup of tea, but is a saltwater nasal rinse. So they suggest kind of putting it up one nostril and letting your nose rinse out. Like I said, not for everyone, but they said that could be the key to kind of opening up your passageways. But I'm live in studio, Penny Kmitt, News 3.